Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to make a Unban command. Start off with opening the start.bat file and typing in slappy. Generate a new command in the moderation category. Then type in code dot to open Visual Studio Code. First we're going to const Discord. Const color and logo. Then make the command async. First we're going to begin with the beautiful if statements. If message dot member dot has permissions, ban members, turn message channel send. You cannot use this command if message me.has permission. And members, turn message channel send. I cannot ban this user because I require the ban members permission. Let the reason for args dot slice join we're going to let the user ID just args 0. If there is no reason, the reason is no reason given. If there is no args, turn message channel send. You must state someone to unban. Ban ID reason. We're going to const the success embed. Set the title of the embed to the user args 0 is successfully unbanned from the server. Set the color to set the thumbnail to logo. Then we're going to set the description to reason reason. Set a timestamp and set a footer. User.tag client.user.display avatar URL. Next off, we're going to message.god.fetch band. Then going to async bands arrow function. This one. If bands dot size is equal to 0, turn message.channel.send. This server does not have any one band. Then we're going to let p user is equal to bands.find p.user.id is equal to user ID, and then if no b user, turn message.channel.send user ID stated is not banned. Then we're going to await message.girl.members.unban be user.user, comma reason dot catch error if there's an error, then console.log error, turn message.channel user something went wrong unbanning the ID. Then we're going to message.channel send success embed. You see if there's any error. I typed const wrong. To run npm run dev start our bot. Then we're going to go into our Discord server, unban the member, and just go ahead and invite him that he can join. We're going to ban him. Then we are going to get his ID. Try to unban him. It's unbanned with no reason given. If we go to our audit logbook, it says remove the ban with no reason given. And then the tag of the user. If you try to join with his user, you see that you can join. If the user try to unban, it officially says you cannot use this command. I hope you liked this video. Please smash this like button if you liked it. Comment and subscribe please. And I'm gonna say bye.